Good morning and welcome to another installment of Wisdom Wednesday at Bandon Bush Irrigation. You're finishing up harvest and planting season is the furthest thing on your mind. Whether you're thinking of updating to a Checchi Magli planting unit or ordering replacement parts, there is no need to spring into action immediately. Your farm is a hub of activity, but the supply chain can be daunting to wrestle with. So you have to get into the driver's seat as scrapers and water pumps are wear items. Get an opinion if the shaft is worn or tired. Don't keep it at arm's length, creating tension at the wrong time. It's a time to look at your plowshares, or maybe next year changing into a different size for different size plugs. The kicker is, the next couple of weeks is a good time to ordering these replacement parts, and you can put them on a shipping container or have the high cost of air freight. Don't be going in circles looking for support at the wrong time.